Order Management via API Bridge. In this video, we will show you essential order management features which are required for strategy-based trading. When you are trading through a strategy, there are four types of trades: long entry, long exit, short entry, short exit. However, when you place orders, there are only two types of orders: buy or sell. At long entry, you send buy orders. At long exit, you send sell orders with quantity same as your net position. At short entry, you send sell orders. At short exit, you send buy order with quantity same as your net position. Assume you are trading with limit orders. What if your limit order remains open at short entry? Your short exit signal should be ignored before there is no short position. Also, the open order from short entry should be automatically cancelled. These are very simple but extremely important rules for strategy trading. You can manage these rules from Tools, Application Settings, Signal Settings. Note this rule: on exit signal, quantity should be less than or equal to your net position. This rule is very important. Suppose you get long entry and place order for 100 shares, but only 70 shares are filled. So your net position is plus 70. Now, when exit signal comes, it should place order for 70 shares, not 100 shares. This rule for placing long entry order only for net position less than and equals to 0 is equally important. If you already have plus net position, it will ignore requests to add more position. So this basically disables scaling in. If you want to scale in to your position, you should ignore this rule. The other rules are self-explanatory. Now, let us see how these rules work with multiple strategies. Assume you are trading Nifty on 3 minutes. And you are also trading Nifty in 15 minutes. Let us name this strategy 3 and strategy 15. The bridge should be able to independently handle signals coming from both charts. To implement multiple strategies, simply add the strategy tag in Symbol Settings menu. Now you can add 2 rows for Nifty with strategy 3 and strategy 15. When signals are generated from both strategies, you can easily manage orders from both strategies independently. You can see here that bridge maps strategy signals to net positions and orders placed. All these rules are specific to strategy and script. API Bridge works with multiple brokers and multiple strategy platforms. In next few minutes, we will show you these features. API Bridge, setting API credentials for different brokers. In this video, we show you API settings for different brokers such as Zerodha, Upstocks, Alice Blue, IIFL, Nirmal Bank, 5 Paisa, and so on. To see your subscription period and assign broker, go to Tools, Application Settings, then License tab. Let's start with Alice Blue. In the API tab, you need to put API key, secret and user ID. The API key can be any random string like your name. The API secret will be provided by your broker. The client ID is same as the ID you get from your broker. After putting these details, save them. We can now log into API. It shows a browser window where you can enter credentials to log in. You can see in message window information about successful login. Now click Start Trading to place your orders. You can see the order placed in web portal. Let me also show you order placement through MT4. We can also use NinjaTrader to place orders. Similarly, you can also place orders through Excel, Python, or other software. Now, let us see the settings for Zerodha. You should have Zerodha as the assigned broker before you can place orders in it. Log into developers.kite.trade. You need to create an app here if not done already. You can see here API key, API secret, and and redirect URL. Copy these details and paste them in API tab. Log into API by putting your credentials. To see the orders placed, use the web portal. For Upstox API credentials, go to developer.upstox.com. You need the interactive API to place orders. Copy the API key, API secret and redirect URL. Paste them in API tab. Log into API by putting your credentials. To see the orders placed, use pro.upstox.com. XTS API may be provided by brokers such as IIFL, Nirmal Bank, Panchpesa, Composite Edge, etc. You need the following details from your broker to log in: API secret, password, and user ID. Like with any other broker, you can use the web portal to see details of order placed. We are in the continuous process of adding more brokers to API. For updated list of brokers, contact us. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.